Hello, everybody. Welcome to the episode number 3 about skin. So, in my previous 2 episodes, we understood our skin, what are skin types, and how to treat them. In this video, it's a minimal and a short video. We are going to understand what we should have to keep our skin healthy and lavishing. So, if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe, hit the bell button, and then get back to the video to continue with it. And those who have watched the previous episodes, thank you so much for continuing to the third one. Lots of love to you, and I'm super grateful to each one of you all. So, before anything else, let's just begin with the third episode. All you need to understand is आप जो भी खाते हो वो आपकी स्किन और आपके बालों पे दिख के आता है. Everybody keeps telling you पानी पियो, have a lot of water. Water intake is so important. All of us need to understand, and I have personally understood that big time. You need to understand that hydrating yourself is very important. If you feel like there is a continuous urge to go to the loo, don't have water. Have sip of water. Sipping and having water are two different things, so keep that in mind. What food do we need to consume? Consume food according to your body needs, according to your diet, according to the portion. You need to balance the portion in your food, in your meals. The intake of the food plays a major role. Why is that? Because it is internally. When the food, the ingredients go inside the body, that's when our skin, our body, our bones, the entire function responds to it. So intake of the food plays a major role. So we all need to understand that what we have to eat and what we have to avoid. And if we want to cut out on something, how do we cut out on things directly, or we should not cut out on things directly. So if you are planning on to cut out on all the junk, don't directly just shut it off that no, I'm not going to have junk from today. Don't do that. Your body will react to it, your skin will react to it in a major way. Understand this very clearly that अगर आप कोई चीज़ एकदम से बंद कर दो, alright, if this is a door and you've had your hand here, अगर आप बंद कर दो, of course you're going to get hurt, right? So eventually, if your skin is used to something, if your skin is used to having chips, biscuits and cold drinks and all of those things, we need to understand that we need to cut it down slowly. If you go in one go, your skin will react to it accordingly. Alright? So we need to have these things in mind. Have food, have things you like, you love, but slowly bring them in a way wherein you are balancing things. I was a person who was a major junk food lover. I'll be very honest that I used to not go without having chips for I could not tolerate not having chips. I needed chips. I wanted cold drink. I was a major coffee person earlier. But now I have cut my coffee entirely. I did not do it in one go, but I went down slowly. I still have coffee at times, but I don't have it in my everyday ritual or everyday routine. We need to understand that as well. Now in the COVID situation, we've been hearing a lot of that vitamins low, tablets low, fruits khao. Try to avoid having those tablets in one go. Try to avoid if you're having that those Limsi tablets and vitamin E, vitamin C, all those those lickable tablets, avoid those. Try having citrus fruits, oranges, kiwi and all of these things. See how it works for you. if you read, if you see a few articles, you'll understand that what and when to have which fruit. Citrus fruits are not meant to have in the morning because they are acidic. So usually we have it like in the afternoon. We don't have it before sleeping. Banana, we have it in lunch because it is a sort of a heavy fruit that our body might not accept early in the morning. It does work for some people, it does not work for some people. So understanding your diet and intake of food, fruits and other things as well plays a major role in understanding your skin. सो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट योर स्किन इज एक्सेप्टिंग. ध्यान दो कि मेरी स्किन अगर मैं ज़्यादा हद तक अगर मैं डेयरी प्रोडक्ट अगर मैं इंटेक कर रहा हूँ, अगर मैं ज़्यादा योगर्ट दही खा लूँ या फिर मैं ज़्यादा दूध पी लूँ या मैं चाय ज़्यादा पी लूँ, तो वो मुझे कैसे अफेक्ट कर रहा है, अफेक्ट कर भी रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. हम अगर मैदे वाली चीज़ें ज़्यादा खा रहे हैं तो वो हमें कैसे अफेक्ट कर रही है. येस, इट डज अफेक्ट अस इंटरनली अ लॉट. कुछ टाइम तक हमें नहीं पता चलता है, वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. बट वंस वी स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द एंटायर scale of our skin and internal body, that how these things work, we get to know a lot of things. There is a lot of, this is a vast topic we speak on. Take your medicines on time. Do not miss out on any of your medicine that you have been prescribed by your doctor. While having medicines also, your food intake, your fruits, whatever you're consuming matters a lot. So keep that also in mind. Maybe due to the food and fruit, your medicine might not react. So keep that in mind. And if you feel like understanding your diet, if you want to know what nutrition is, if you want to know how to work on these things, meet a dietitian, meet a nutritionist, meet a yoga trainer, meet a gym trainer. Ask them questions, ask them all possible questions you want to. See what they have to say. They might tell you to have a few tests done, or they might ask for your previous history. I have a friend of mine who is a yoga trainer, who is a certified nutritionist. I have asked her, I've spoken to her. Her name is Dr. Shreya Pujari. I'll be linking all her details as well in the description box. And I've asked her a few things, like she is working with a company as well now. So I know a lot of things that, I've been seeing her videos, I've been seeing her posts. If I'm not even speaking to her for a long time, I'm seeing her posts which are helping me to understand my diet. So that's that. You need to understand your diet properly. Our food intake matters a lot. If you want to have a amazing skin, you need to understand all the points. You need to keep all the points that I've mentioned in all the 3 episodes. Trust me, it has worked wonders. I have not used any high-end brands, but I have just taken care what I needed to when I was like 18, when I was 19, when I was 20, which I did not. But now I have realized that, taking care of my skin, my body, has been playing a major role of what I am today personally. And it is just such a happy feeling to see my skin heal. I've started like exercising as well. My mother's younger brother, he's a certified gym trainer. He's been giving me a lot of training, and I am going to start with my diet accordingly as well. And as I am a PCOS person, I have to keep other things also in mind. So I am planning on these things. Let me know if you want to know what I have in a day. I might just make a random vlog. Do let me know in the comment section if I should start vlogging all of these things, or if you want to know or see my morning or night ritual for my skin. I would love to do that for each one of you. So thank you so much for continuing till here for all the 3 episodes. And if you have forgotten to subscribe, please consider subscribe. I am hoping to see each one of you here in my next video. Thank you so much. Till then, take care, bye, and stay safe.